Hi, we're Andy and Shell, turning our wanderlust into reality. On our channel, we share real travel and cruising experiences to help you explore the world with confidence. So if you're over 50 years of age, like us, why not come along and follow our adventures?
Room 528. Let me take you on a tour. Okay, so entering the room, you can see it's quite lovely. So the first thing we can have a look at is the bathroom. Shampoo, conditioner and body soap. It's got a bathtub as well as a shower. Amenities here, hairdryer, towels, etc. Soaps, body lotion in here. Amenities, toothbrush, etc. And the toilet on this side. Coming into the room, have a good sized wardrobe with a safe, etc. and drawers. Looking further along, get free water daily, and here is your mini bar, which we tend not to use. There are things in it, but we probably won't use anything out of that. Looking at the room, I've just been told it's a queen. Looking over there, TV, lights, etc. Lots of PowerPoints, which is great. Nice welcome flowers, chocolates, couch, more power outlets, which is great. And over this side of the bed, power outlets, etc. Looking out the door, wrong side, and this is the view. So we can see the pool, restaurant, spa, and a nice balcony, and the beach. Well, that's the end of our video of our room tour. We hope you liked it. If you'd like to see some more videos of our Vietnam trip, then why not like, follow and subscribe. Cheers.